Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today's Wednesday, September 17th. I finished up last night's video telling you that my short-term indicator was overbought and that it needed to correct, and that's exactly what we got. We got a 440-point down day. Not only did it correct the overbought condition, but now the indicator is oversold. So the odds are pretty high that we're going to get a kickback rally. I would think maybe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, probably the next day. But we're pretty oversold, and that needs to correct. So, but it'll only be a kickback rally. I don't see the low, anywhere in sight yet. So, maybe tomorrow or over the weekend, I'll explore the possibilities of where the market might find some support. I have some ideas, but it's a little early for that yet. So what is going on in the market? Well, it's deleveraging. These guys still have to raise money, so they're just selling everything. All of a sudden, you don't hear anything about fundamental analysis. When's the last time you heard anything about the price-earnings ratio, or the cash to book value, or any of these other fundamental tools that these guys always refer to by telling you how cheap stocks are? I haven't heard a word about price-earnings ratio, and it's even getting into earnings season, and nobody even cares about the earnings. It's just sell, 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 sell. Now, this is what Wall Street's all about. When you need money, sell. There's an old saying on the street: when they raid the house, the piano player goes to. And that's what's happening in this market right here. Bankers lie, investment bankers lie, insurance guys lie, but the charts don't lie. And we saw it coming, and we're ready for it, and it's not over yet. But anyway, let's move on. What do we do today? Well, locked in some profits. Covered ELX. We locked in about a 16% return on our money, and I covered AYR. We locked in almost a 20% return on our money in just a short period of time. Only in America, a great country. So I have a new idea for you tomorrow. It's on the short side. The stock is ALGN. In just a moment, I'll show you the chart, and I'll show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. So don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of ALGN. I'm zoomed out pretty far because I want to show you the box this pattern is basically in. And this is the resistance area, and it has been ever since over here, here, and here. And this has always been our support area. So that's what we expect. We expect it to get back down to the support area here. So I just wanted to show you that. I'll zoom in a little bit, and I'll give you the stats. This is ALGN. This is a call on the short side. We're looking to sell the stock short tomorrow between 12:45. It closed on the low of the day, so I think there's a good chance we'll get a little rally in the morning. So I'm looking for that rally to get the short off. Anywhere near 12.95 or 13 area would be a gift. Okay. Once again, if it starts down, I'm not going to chase it. I'll wait for the kickback. You always seem to get these kickback rallies. But when you get the kickback, that's our opportunity to get the short off. Okay, my target is $9.80, right down here, this old support area. See it? From here all the way across. Buy stop, if the trade isn't working, buy stop would be any close above that level right there, which is $13.55. Okay, what do we see? Zoom out just a little bit. We see, well, we know we're in a big resistance area. I pointed that out to you already. And now we've got the early stages of a descending triangle. As a matter of fact, today is the first day that we actually close down below it. So hopefully tomorrow we get a kickback back up into this area here, and that's our spot where we want to sell it short. Okay, so that's what I see, and let me recap this. This is ALGN, calling the short side, and we'll make about $3 on that trade. All right, let's take a look at VAL, stock we sold short this morning. I got this off this morning at $23.38, right up in here. Not the high, but pretty close to it. Anyway, let's remind people why we don't like this stock and why we think it's going lower. Because we've got this descending triangle there, and now we're waiting for this low to get broken, and this is our target, the old support area down here. So we'll put that into our portfolio. Hopefully that works out as quickly as some of the other ones so far. All right, let's go see how much damage was done to the indexes. You know, the lows keep getting lower, and the highs keep getting lower also. So everything is getting lower. But I want to point out, as I've been saying this for days and days and days, and now it's really starting to play out. Now you can actually see why I was expecting this market to roll over. This rolling over pattern, I've been talking about it. And now you can see what comes out of these. You know, it's one thing to talk about it 6 or 7 days ago when the market was up in here, and I kept saying it's going to roll over, and now we're down 1,000 points already, and now you can get to see. So lock in this pattern here next time you see it. This is our resistance area here. Any rally back up, it starts here and goes all the way up to here. So any rally back up into this area is going to be contained if we get that far up. We could. You never know. Transportation average. This is that house of cards again, and now you can see it's getting a little more serious on the downside. So that's playing out as we anticipated. Russell 2000, another new low, closed right on the low. So you can see we're tracing out lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, and lower highs. So this could kick back into here, but it's not going to change the look. You can see how the look is just these declining tops, as I've been pointing out for days and days and days. Very bearish look, and still is. SPY closed right on the low, short term oversold. This is our resistance. It starts here and goes all the way up to here, and also that rolling over look. QQQQs, boy, straight down. This is our major resistance, and there's some minor resistance at the bottom of this pattern right in here. So this whole pattern here is going to be a resistance area. So any kickback into that is going to be very short-lived, and then we're just going to roll over again. So anyway, that's my view of the market. Any rallies we get are there to be sold, and I don't see anything that even looks like we've gotten to the bottom yet. Okay, that's my view of the market till tomorrow. This is TK signing off.